Hey everyone, I am Kanishka and I have been a part of the 2-year classroom program at Vidigya Bhopal, and over the past 2 years I have come to realize one thing. Vidigya will not only prepare you for the CLAT examination in terms of academics but also in terms of mindset. Now when I say the term mindset, it is not only about the way you will approach the paper in the examination hall. They will eventually prepare you for that. Throughout this journey, one thing which I am most grateful about is the Sanidhya sessions which I sit in with Sameep sir, and it is not only the theoretical aspect which he addresses but also your overall outlook which you should carry towards the life. And also when I talk about the preparation phase, the mentors will genuinely care about your progress. They will not only favor the ones who are they expecting the results from, but each and every child they will invest in and make sure that he or she uses their potential at the maximum level. The mocks when I talk about at Vidigya are very extensive and they will prepare you for the final day because they are curated such that they will stand at a level much above than that of CLAT. And also the study material exactly like the based on the previous year papers of CLAT, but obviously not on the very same level. They will prepare you for each and everything which may come in the examination. When I end this journey at Vidigya, one thing which I will take from this place is that tagline "Jeetenge Hum," and that tagline which sits in your mindset will make sure that you can clear every examination like CLAT with a very good score. Thank you.